Now, for the final test, let's compare the before and after gloss meter readings for paint and decals. First, let's display our initial paint reading, 7.6. After the revive finish process, our paint reading is now 91.4. Now, let's display our initial decal reading, 21.6. After the revive finish process, our decal reading is 92.7. Well, the numbers don't lie. CAT Paint Revive has dramatically improved the appearance of this CAT 906 wheel loader in a very short period of time. And the results of CAT Paint Revive will last as long as a newly painted surface in a comparable condition.